Namaste and welcome everyone from Dhananjay Kumar. Another video about a very simple puzzle. The question is, what is nearest to you but you cannot see? So sometime I ask it, what is nearest to you but you cannot see? And they come up with lots of answers. I'm amazed at their intelligence, their interest and their observation. But I have added a few additional items on that list that you cannot see, but it's very close to you. So let me begin. What is closest to you is your body. What do you see in your body, inside your body? Nothing. Inside your body, how it's work, all the organs, all the muscular system, or 12 physiological systems, their operation, their responses, their reaction, how your brain works, how you think, how you react, your emotions. None of that you see. You can feel it, but you cannot see what goes inside your body, what goes on inside your body. Now, outside the body, what do you see? Outside the body is covered with skin. Do you see the skin? You can say, yes, I can feel it. It's like a bag containing my organs, my inside of my body. But you may not be aware, there are millions of tiny holes in your skin throughout your body. Holes? I don't see any holes, but there are. If you look through a microscope, you will see zigzag lines all around, some sparkling, some dim, and lots of holes. When you sweat, where does the sweat come from? From your body, the heat. Salty sweat comes out of your pores in the skin, your face, all around. And believe it or not, there are millions of pores, of holes on your skin, and millions of little microorganisms crawling, eating parts of your dead skin, falling on the floor when you take bath in your towel. All these things are happening and you don't see, you don't know. Even in your mirror you don't see yourself. First of all, whatever you see in the mirror is the left side right. Right side, right eye appears on the left side, the left eye appears on the right side. So you cannot exactly see even your face, even using a mirror. Of course, without mirror you can't see your face. And you cannot see top of your head, even with mirror. Because the moment you turn down, you cannot see up. Back of the head you cannot see, even with mirror. So it's a very interesting puzzle, very interesting mystery. Something you live with all the time, your body. You don't know, you cannot see. Inside the body, of course, you can see. You cannot see anything. Outside the body, you can see very little. Then around your body, you're breathing all the time, every moment. Do you see the air? Maybe you can feel the air going through your nostril to your lungs. You cannot see it. You are alive, of course. You are alive, of course. Do you see life in you? Does my finger have life? Yes, it has life. I'm talking because I'm alive. I'm thinking. I eat. All this happens because I'm alive. But where is life in you? Where is life? It's all over, but only in you and all around you is life, or there is life outside? That's a very interesting question. Is there life surrounding me? Is life in my breath? Okay, partly true. When I'm breathing in and out, life is flowing. But is air itself life? Life is a force, works on its own. Air is like a chariot. It rides the air to move throughout the body, and from outside to inside, from inside to outside. But life is not something you can see. You can only feel it and experience it. You have a soul. Most people believe they have a soul. Do you see your soul? Where is your soul? Is it inside your body, outside your body? Where is it? People have lots of stories. The soul is of this shape and size, and it's here and there and there. Nobody knows for sure where is soul. Is the consciousness. It is present. Therefore you are alive and you are breathing. But where it is located? It is probably located everywhere. You are made of it. You are made of pure consciousness, pure knowledge, energy, laws of nature. All these things govern your existence. But most of the time we don't question, we don't observe, and we don't see. Therefore, we are ignorant of its presence. So the more aware you are, more experience happens to you. And you begin to feel the presence of all these things. Now let's go a little further away from your body. Do you see what's on the ground? All the germs and creatures floating around. Do you see all the colors around you? Do you see all the shapes and forms around you? How far can you see? Maybe half a mile, 1 mile in clear weather. What do you see between your eyes and the tree? You see the tree. I can see a tree right there. But between my eye and tree, there are lots of things, lot of gases, lot of organisms floating around, which I don't see. When I look up in the sky, I don't see very far. If it is a clear sky, I don't see anything, but there are things. If I could see far enough, you only will see stars and planets and other objects floating all around in the sky with your eyes, but they are there. Do you see what is happening in other people's mind? Do you know? I told some of my students that it's very easy to know other people's mind only if you know your own mind. If you know your own body, you can know pretty much how other bodies work, even non-human bodies. They have certain systems they rely on, and it's kind of automatic process as long as one is alive. So this kind of observation, open-mindedness and interest and keenness to learn, because the more you know, the better you feel, the more you can do and contribute and live a meaningful life. So learning by observation is one of the greatest virtues you can develop in yourself, and that is one of the main objectives of doing these videos, raising intelligent kids. Thank you for joining me this time, and we will certainly meet again soon.